A very good morning, children. Today we are going to take a look at the topic estimation in addition. Are you all ready, children? Now, what is estimation? An estimate is like a guess. It is when you try to get as close to an answer as possible using your judgment. You might estimate the size, amount, or cost of something. But this guess is going to be very close to your answer. The keywords that you will be using for estimation would be about, close to, almost, more than. We can change our estimate as we gather new information. For example, 10 stars are shown in the image. The question may be asked something like about how many stars are there. So the word about indicates estimation. Estimation is finding a close answer. Where do we use this estimation, children? We use estimates when we go for shopping, when we cook, with time, also with distance we can do estimation. So there are two concepts here. One is the exact answer and another one is the estimated answer. So we are going to find both of them. So the key word in estimation would be about, approximately, estimate or reasonable answer. So for doing estimation there are two steps. First step would be to round off the number. Second step would be to solve the problem. We have already learnt about rounding off in the previous chapter. Am I right, children? So we will be using that concept here too. Let me repeat once again. Round off the numbers and then solve the problem. Okay? So, what are the steps to do the estimation? First, you have to draw a T-chart, something like the one shown in the image. Then, you have to take a look at the answer choices. It tells you what place you have to round to. But in our problems, we are going to round it to the nearest tens always. Then, we can add or subtract for the rounded answer. Okay? And also we can find out the exact answer too. So if you look at the image, you will understand that the exact answer for the addition of 353 and 89 would be 442. Now to find the estimated sum, we are going to round off the number 353. Now the ones place there is 3, right? So which is less than 5. So we are going to round off the number 353 as 350. The next number would be 89. So if you see the ones place, the number 9 is present at the ones place. So which is greater than 5. So you are going to move the tens place to the next number. So 89 will be converted as 90. Now when you add the number 350 with 90, you get the total as 440. So isn't 440 close to the number 442, children? Yes, right. So that's how we do the estimation. Okay? Again, I'm going to reiterate the steps. We are going to round the addends and add the rounded addends. Let us now take one problem and find the actual sum and estimated sum. So we're going to solve this problem 493 plus 549. Shall we take a look how to solve it, children? First, we are going to find the actual sum. Do the addition of the number 493 plus 549. What do we get, children? We get the total as 1042. Am I right? Yes. Now let us find the estimated sum. So to estimate the sum, we need to round off the numbers. Am I right, children? So first round off the first number to the nearest tens. 493 will be rounded off to 490. Then we have to round off the second number, which is 549. So since ones is 9, it is greater than 5, we are going to round it off to 550. Now when we add the estimated sum, the rounded off numbers, we get the total as 1040. Now compare the actual sum and estimated sum. Actual sum is 1042 and estimated sum is 1040, which is somewhat close, right? 1040 is close to 1042. That's how we are going to do the estimation. Now we are going to take a look at another example. 816 plus 522. Now again, 816 can be rounded off as 820. 522 can be rounded off as 520. Now the estimated sum would be 820 plus 520, that is equal to 1340. Now the actual sum would be 816 plus 522, which will be equal to 1338. Now 1338 and 1340, when you compare both the numbers, the estimated sum is close to the actual sum. So what are the keywords for the word problems? Total, in all, altogether, add, sum and more. When you find these keywords in the word problems, that means you have to do addition. Understood, children? Let's move on to the exercise 3.3. First question, round off the given numbers to the nearest tens. So part A, 88. So how will you round it off, children? The ones place is 8, which is greater than 5. So we have to put a 0 there and increase the tens place. So 8 becomes 9. So the rounded off number becomes 90. Let me do part C, 468. This can be rounded off to 470. Very good. Next, let us go to part G. 802 has been rounded off to 800. Then second question, A part, 1649. This can be rounded off to 1650. Very good. 2B, 9643 can be rounded off to 9640. Very good. Now we are going to find or estimate the sums. Question number 3. Round off the numbers to the nearest tens and estimate their sums. Then find the actual sums. So the number is 887 plus 521. Let us go step by step. Step 1. Round off the numbers to the nearest tens. So 887 can be rounded off to 890. Very good. What about 521? That can be rounded off to 520. This is the first step. We have rounded off the numbers. Then step 2, we are going to find the estimated sum. How are we going to find it out? We are going to add the numbers. 890 plus 520. So 0 plus 0 becomes 0. Then we are going to add the tens place. 9 plus 2 would be 11. So 1 at the bottom and 1 as a carryover. Now we have to add 1 plus 8 plus 5, which is equal to 14. So the answer would be 1410. Next step, we are going to find the actual sum. So to find the actual sum, we are going to add the number without rounding off. So 887 plus 521. So 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2 in the tens place becomes 10. 1 plus 8 plus 5 becomes 14. So the answer is 1408. Now shall we compare the estimated sum and actual sum? Estimated sum is 1410 and actual sum is 1408. Not much difference, right? So, estimated sum comes pretty close to the actual sum. Shall we take a look at the next example? F part. We have to add 3,394 and 4,605. So let us round it off. 3,390 plus 4,600. The sum will be 7,990. Let us find the actual sum. The actual sum 3,394 plus 4,605 gives 7,999. Now let us compare the estimated sum and actual sum. Here again, the estimated sum 7,990 is close to the actual sum 7,999. Now we are going to do word problems. Before going into it, I am going to tell you the steps to solve the word problem. Note down the keyword. It is cubes. C stands for circle the numbers. U stands for underline the question. B stands for box the keywords. E stands for evaluate and draw. S stands for solve and check. Let us follow these steps and solve a word problem from your textbook. 4A. In a zoo, Jessie counted 367 ducks and her sister Talveen counted 462 ducks. How many ducks did Jessie and Talveen count? Let us solve this problem using the given steps. Step 1. Circle the important numbers. 367 and 462 has been circled. Next step is U. U for underline the question. How many ducks did Jessie and Talveen count? That is the question which has been underlined. Third step, B. Box the keywords. So the keywords here are Jessie and Talveen, which has been boxed. Fourth step, evaluate and draw. So how can we draw this problem? Here we know Jessie has counted 367 ducks and Talveen has counted 462 ducks. So I have drawn it like this. Then finally, fifth step, S for solve. Now we are going to solve it out. Now first, to solve it out, we are going to find the actual sum. Let us write the problem or the numbers one below the another. So 367 plus 462. Now when we add these numbers, we get 829. Correct, children? Now let us find out the estimated sum. When we round off the number 367, we get 370 and 462 can be rounded off to 460. Now when we add these numbers, what do we get, children? We get 830. This is the estimated sum. Now shall we compare estimated sum and actual sum? So estimated sum is 830, actual sum is 829. Not much difference, right? I hope you understood the problem. Now we are going to see one more word problem, 4C. In a hive, there were 1,228 honeybees in the morning. In the evening, 2,493 more honeybees fly to the hive. Find the total number of honeybees in the hive in the evening. So first, let us find the actual sum. 1,228 plus 2,493. The answer would be 3,721. Do it in your notebook and check, children. Next, let us find the estimated sum. The estimated sum would be 1,230 and 2493 has been rounded off to 2490. So total, when you add 1,230 plus 2490, you get 3,720, which is very close to the actual sum. I hope you all understood how to do estimation. Time for your assignment. Children, kindly note down your homework. Let us try 3.3 exercise. Question 1, B, D, E, F, G, H has to be done. Question 2, C and D has to be done. Question 3, B, C, D, E has to be done. And question 4, part B has to be done. Remember children, in the word problems, I didn't write any statement. But when you write it in your notebook, you have to write the statements. I just explained the concept. You all know how to write statements, right? So kindly do it, children. With this, our session is complete. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye.